Good, wonderful morning, everybody. So we checked on our wild piggy, and it looks like it's gone. The house is the one with the silver car. So I thought it had gone. So either the family took the piggy with them when they moved out, which I doubt they would have, or the piggy could have been found by somebody else, or it's moved on to greener pastures, which would be unusual for a piggy. They seem to like sticking in their comfort spots. Well, mine do anyway. They love their little comfort spots. So we're just going up to the park. Yeah, so that house was absolutely trashed. They're doing a full renovation on it looks like. So skip out the front. So they've done the painting. They are putting on new doors, which they haven't done yet. And I got to fix up your leash. And that's Emerson Park. A park that rarely gets really used. It does have a walking track through it, as you can see, which is nice. Beautiful playground, which seems to get used. But the rest of the open space is just open space. Unused. It's a bit of a shame. They could really do something with this park, because it's a nice big park. They could do running events, or some sort of sporting event in the middle. Neighbours probably wouldn't like it though, all that noise. I'm sure they could do something with it. Plant trees would be better than what it is at the moment. Turn into bushland. That would be pretty cool. But it's just an unused, neglected space at the moment. Anyway, we'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day.